AI is going to be big whether you like it or not, and you've either got to hop on the train of AI or not get on. And if you don't get on, all you're going to end up doing is being more confused and lost when it becomes essential in society. Top 5 AI tools you can use, you need to use throughout your life. The first tool I'm going to be talking about is so good, I've actually already just started using it, and it's called TinyWeb. It has tons of functionalities all on one web server, and you basically can just use them all. Kind of like if anyone remembers Miniclip when they were younger, but instead of games, it's AI tools. I don't know whether you guys like me have taken a screenshot of your laptop and you tried to submit the screenshot to wherever you have to submit it to, and it just won't let you. One of the website's tiniest features, but most useful for me, changes the Hayek format into JPEGs, and that means you can pretty much submit it anywhere. You normally would have to go through this complex saving and exporting process to do this. TinyWeb just sorts all of that out for you. You can remove backgrounds from images, download TikToks on there, write sentences, get it to write Instagram captions, write blogs for you, rewrite essays, Instagram downloader. It literally has so many little random features based around content editing and writing that are just so useful for you. This Chrome extension will basically write the email for you if you want, edit the way you've written the email. It can give you suggestions on how to write the email, all this sort of stuff, just to simplify your life, to make things quicker. It does way more than that, but that is one of its key features, and it will just save so much time. Like, instead of spending 5 to 10 minutes writing an email, it will take you 30 seconds. That saves so much time out of your day. You can write 50 more emails, or you can go ahead and do something else. The next AI tool I think is just so fun. I've used it a lot. It's definitely got some beneficial purposes. I can't say I've used them that much, but it's Stable Diffusion. It basically makes AI art using prompts you give it. I've used such a random example just to show how good this AI is. I put man sitting in a box on an alien planet, 1920 vibes. So let's see what we get. Now look at that image there. That's just so cool. That's literally taken about 30 seconds to make as well. So this can just basically, let's say you have a t-shirt business, for example, you could just make all your designs using this thing, and then you just get the t-shirt printed, sell them, bish bash bosh, you made a bit of cash. Or if you just want some cool posters, I don't know, whatever you want, but this is such a cool tool, you should play around with. Next we've got Browser AI, and if you want to sneak into the backlog of companies' data, this is the one. Now I am joking, but it does a very similar thing to this. It can download all of a website's data, and this will allow you to see stuff like who's been buying what products, what's popular, where they're going on the website loads, all this sort of stuff. I've even used it before just to try it out. It has a feature on LinkedIn where you can extract all the jobs that you think will be relevant to you. So you could go onto LinkedIn, extract all the jobs. This is going to create a huge difference. If you have this and someone else is not using this, you are definitely much more likely to get a better job than them, because you're going to know all the places you can apply for straight away instead of having to search for them. This is just going to give you so much more time to actually apply for the job instead of wasting time looking for the job. So an AI tool I came around not too long ago was actually based on the fact that I was looking to code a website and an app using AI, with AI integrated in it. So I actually came across this thing called Blackbox, which basically it turns whatever question you have into code so that then you can use that as programmable language. Absolutely crazy tool. So you can now basically turn your ideas, these amazing ideas that you're coming from, into apps, and you can do it at a fraction of the price. So 5 years ago, you had a really cool idea, you wanted to make it into an app, no chance, mate. Have you got £500,000? Now in modern day with AI, have you got 10 days? Have you got £30, £60 for monthly subscriptions to these AI tools? Yes, you do. Perfect. Let's build this app and let's make some serious money, or make a seriously cool app that you think, oh, this would be so fun to give to my friends, let my friends use. So if you're like me and you want to use this tool for a bit of fun, I made an app basically that said, shit joke, are you ready? And then underneath it, it'd say, click me to not laugh button, and it'd give you an awful joke. And it was just funny because it was just such a bad joke, and it was just like, it just started a little bit of conversation going. It was just funny because it was such a bad joke, so it'd start a bit of conversation. And you could also use this as a drinking game. So you could build your own drinking game apps if that's what you want.